Michael Kirby, and I'm doing the density lab, the second lab for physical science online, and it has me to compare a Snickers bar and a Milky Way bar. So we're going to start by taking the length, width, and height of the Snickers bar, and right here we're measuring. It is about 9, and I'd say 0.75 for the length. That's in centimeters. The width. Oh man, we're into a little bit of a dilemma there. I'd say about 2.9 centimeters. And the height. I would say it's about 1.9. And that's the measurements on the Snickers bar. Now I'll go ahead and calculate for the volume, which is just length times width times height, so 9.75 times 2.9 times 1.9 equals whatever we get in the calculator. 9.75 times 2.9 times 1.9 equals 53.7225. So then I'm going to take that, go 53.7 centimeters cubed. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing for the Milky Way. I'm getting about 9 centimeters for length. So that's a little bit shorter than the Snickers. For width, let's say we're at an even 3. So it's a little bit fatter than the Snickers. And then the height. I would say that we're at about 1.9, so it's pretty much the same as the Snickers. So then we go ahead and calculate the volume for that. 9 times 3 times 1.9 equals so many centimeters cubed. 9 times 3 times 1.9 equals 51.3 centimeters cubed. Okay, and then now that moves on to mass. On the wrapper, it says the Snickers is 52.7 grams. Go ahead and write that down. And then the Milky Way is 52.2. It's a little torn right there. Grams. Now we're going to measure this handy little kitchen scale. I would say, and this is the Snickers. The Snickers is about 55 grams on this scale. I'm writing that down. And then onto the Milky Way, and it is, I'd say that was an even 50 grams for the Milky Way. So the Milky Way is a little lighter. And then the calculation for density is mass divided by volume. So we take 55, and I'm going to do the ones that I just measured, the numbers that I just measured. Mass divided by volume, 55 divided by 53.7. I'm going to type this in the calculator. We get 1.024, and I'll round that to 1.02. And then the calculations for the Snickers will be 50 divided by 51.3. We'll go ahead and type that into the calculator. We come up with 0.975 when it's rounded. Okay, and that concludes the measurements, and the next video will be of me and my partner cutting these delicious snacks.